Shawty just bounce.
Welcome back to Work of Excellence TV. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sandra. Welcome, welcome.
Tell me. How can I get through it? Need to know.
So today what we're going to be doing is something like a try-on haul of things I have already. When I purchase my things for my try-on haul, I kind of look around in my closet and see what I have. And when I go to the store that I want to do my try-on haul with, I pair stuff that I already have. Welcome to 2024 winter coat haul. So this coat here is from Rainbow All Star. You would never believe that this coat is a size 4X. This is the smallest 4X I've ever seen in my life. You know, that was the biggest size. They run small, like 2 sizes small. So I really wanted another color. This came in 2 other colors, but the only one left was the yellow. I actually already have a jacket this color, which was my baby sister, God bless the dead, her jacket, and it is the Pittsburgh Steelers, which I'm not a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, but when they win, I usually wear it to honor my sister. So I didn't really want this color, but it's all they had, so I got this color so I can wear this because I have some black and yellow boots that I can wear this with, and I don't want to wear the Steelers unless I'm honoring my sister, you know what I mean? So this coat here, so this is another nice find. Maybe you can go on the website and they have some more sizes, more colors. Next we have this jacket. It has pockets, thank goodness. The price tag in the pocket. And this coat was $129. That was the price of this coat. Whew. Yes. You go, Zara. Feeling it. I'm feeling it. Yes, and the pockets are pockets. That's what I like. That is what I like. America has a problem. America has a problem. America has a problem. America has a You know, so it's time to clean out the closet. I still have a lot of things that I can't fit, and I tried on some things that I couldn't fit before, and now I can fit. So let's get started on what we're going to do in this vlog. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the things that I can wear, it's going to go up here. And things that I still can't wear are going to go down here on this rack. So far I have things everywhere. Like I said, these are things that
I've came across right now that I'll see if my daughter wants. If not, we will donate it. This is where we are. And this is what we're doing today. Stay tuned. So we still have more coats and more coats down here. More coats. That's okay. So I won't be buying no coats this year. I have enough coats. In cleaning the closet, I came across one of my old coats that was too small last year, but as I'm coming down, I was just so happy to feel, oh, I can get it on again. I could not get it on before.
Just a phase, I'll make you want to have to taste.
I'm getting there. So before the winter's over, maybe a couple of weeks, I'll be able to wear it 100% comfortable. But before, I could not get it on at all. I have boots that goes with this coat. So a couple more weeks, you're gonna see me wearing this coat comfortable. I can get it on now, so that's a good thing. Yeah, love it, love it. Came across my blue suede coat as well. Now I can fit this coat too. Only thing about this coat is it never came with buttons. I'm thinking if I can make like a snap button to go here. It didn't come with any kind of buttons. I love the pockets on it, but I could never close it because it's no buttons or anything. It's suede. It's a blue suede. And I'm fitting this one comfortable too. Yeah. Let me see what else I got in here I can fit now. Well, not quite ready for this one yet. So this one I have to go in a pile of. Can't wear yet, but I got it on. But it's still a little too snug. Mark my word. You guys wait. I'm on my way back. This reminds me of back in the days, the sheepskin. This is like that suede, but this is like a sheepskin coat. And when I bought it, that's kind of like what I felt when I bought it. But yeah, you'll see it again. Mark my word. So this is just one of those jackets where you have to have an imagination and you have to see it for what it is. I kind of like it and I was like, oh, I have something that I can pair with it. But I ordered me a top and a skirt from Shein to match this. So you will be seeing this again. Like I always say, on websites, when you look at clothes, you have to have an imagination to see how you're going to put it together. Right now you can't see it because of what I have on, but I already have the picture in my head of how I'm going to pair this. I've had this now for a year and a half and I never wore it. So that's part of what I'm doing today, is just trying to see what I have, match what I really want to keep, and give away what I don't.
when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Yeah, you see me in the spare crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. Feel me, if we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to pop, let's drag and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like my dude, the way I carry my baggage, this heavy load.
Yep. Look. This was one of my favorite coats. It's still too small. I'm determined before this winter is out to get back in my white coat. Now, I bought another white coat that I will be doing a haul in from Shein. But this white coat, I love. Macy's 2 years ago, and I bought it when the summer was coming in, so I got it for a good price, and I never got to wear it because by the time winter came the next year, I had gained weight and I couldn't fit the coat. But look, I'm getting back in it. Yeah, so I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Nice boots to go with this when it's time for me to wear it. Hopefully I'll finally get to wear it this winter. I got it on, y'all, so it's coming. I got one more to show y'all before I start getting this room cleaned up. So, okay, let's go. Oh my God. This was, let me give y'all a look at the coat first. This coat, I got 3-4 years ago. When I got the coat, it was too small then. Like, it took a long time, didn't return it, so I'm stuck with it. Every time I think about giving it away, I'm like, no, I still like it. And my goal is one day I'm gonna get in it. I've never got in it, so even at my smallest. But my goal is I'm going to get in it, and you guys are gonna go back to this video and you're gonna say she did it. I won't get in it this year. I don't care if it's summertime, but I could get in it. I'm gonna film myself in it and bring y'all back to this video. Let's get started cleaning this room.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out.
Okay, honestly, I don't really know what's in those bags up there. I really need to go through those bags, but I don't feel like it. So these are all the coats that I can wear right now. And I still have a lot on the bottom that I can't wear yet. So we're going to work on it. So this closet is small. This is the best I could do. So hopefully this will be full and the bottom part will be empty. pretty soon. So let's just move on. Today, forgive my look, but you know it is what it is. This is a day where I'm just trying to straighten up. Let me tell you about this coat here. So this coat it's a burgundy. It's like a jean material, like corduroy. Remember the corduroy pants? This is like a corduroy, nice gold zipper, pockets. It feels nice and warm, and it got that like puff coat feel to it. I like it. I paired it with my boots. They are burgundy and black. Heels. Okay, now let's get into this coat. Okay, I love it. Okay, now I love this coat. One thing puzzled me. I don't understand it. Why, Shein? Why? Where's my pockets? Where are my pockets? No coat should go without pockets, especially if you have a coat that's like a snow coat. You know, people look to go in when it's cold with their hands in their pocket, but I gotta go like this because I have no pockets. Shein, come on. A beautiful coat like this deserves pockets. That's the only gripe I have about this coat. It is everything. Every minute I just want to go like this and model, and I can't.
Keep my hand in the fire. I would say we were good together.